And another one. I really don't know what the fuck is going on. But no. Afraid it's I will